Learn how to compare the energy costs and CO2 emissions for a project in MyFesto. Open a project in which you would like to do the comparison. MyFesto Projects provides the possibility to compare the energy and CO2 costs of different solutions. Go into your saved solutions and select the respective solutions and click on Compare. Currently saved solutions of the tools, electric motion sizing, pneumatic simulation, and gripper sizing can be compared. You can get a comparison of the energy consumption and CO2 emissions of the selected solutions. The resulting CO2 emissions also consider the production footprint, which means the CO2 emissions for producing the respective components. With this feature, you can consider the total cost of ownership when making the decision between different solutions. The feature allows you to compare different pneumatical solutions, electric solutions, but also pneumatic versus electric solutions. On the tab CO2 and Costs, you can get a summary for the project. Here you can get an overview for the entire project, which means all saved solutions in the project. It is possible to edit the standard parameters. For example, you can enter your specific energy costs.